Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning in Windows 11 how to open Task Manager. So there is multiple way to open Task Manager. Okay, first one is everyone must know that's a shortcut key. It is you can simply press Ctrl Shift Escape key for opening Task Manager. I'm pressing Ctrl Shift Escape, then you will get Task Manager from here. Okay, so that's a shortcut is Ctrl Shift Escape. At the same time, you will get this one. Okay, and you can simply close this. And the second thing is that you can simply click on Start menu, then go to search box, then search about Task Manager. Okay, then you can open the Task Manager. This is the second method. And Windows 11 there is another method. It is very simple. You can simply right click on your task taskbar, then open Task Manager. There is an option to open Task Manager. So that's a simple shortcut in Windows 11. Right click, simply open Task Manager. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily much understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.